The final mission phase brought Cassini closer to Saturn than any spacecraft before. As it plunged past the planet during the grand finale, it was tasked with gathering some of the most detailed and unexpected data of the entire mission. It was as if, in its final act, Cassini chose to give everything it had left: fuel, memory, and courage. During these final orbits, the spacecraft created detailed maps of Saturn's gravity and magnetic fields. These weren't just charts for navigation, they were scientific blueprints, tools that would reveal the inner structure of this gas giant. Understanding Saturn from the inside is like trying to see the skeleton of a cloud, but Cassini's measurements brought us closer than we'd ever been to answering questions about what lies beneath its swirling bands. One of the most persistent mysteries Cassini sought to solve was the rate at which Saturn's interior rotates. Unlike a solid planet, gas giants don't spin uniformly. Their outer layers may move at different speeds than their core, making it difficult to calculate an exact day length. Cassini's readings provided essential clues: gravity variations, wave patterns in the rings, and magnetic field anomalies, all contributing to this complex puzzle. But Cassini didn't just look inward, it also looked around. It vastly improved our understanding of Saturn's rings. For decades, astronomers speculated about how massive these rings really are. Cassini's proximity allowed it to measure ring mass with remarkable precision. These readings hinted that the rings might be younger than once thought, possibly just 100 million years old, a blink in cosmic time. Through these observations, researchers could also study the composition and behavior of ring particles. Tiny collisions, density waves, and the interaction between moons and rings painted a dynamic, ever-changing portrait of Saturn's delicate system. This was not just a frozen relic of the past, it was a living, breathing disk of dust and ice sculpted by gravity and time. And while Saturn dominated the frame, its many moons never left Cassini's sight. The spacecraft flew close to icy Mimas, cratered Tethys, and mysterious Iapetus with its two-tone surface. Each world was like a different chapter in the story of Saturn's domain. Cassini's instruments continued to outperform expectations. In its final days, the spacecraft made ultraviolet observations of auroras dancing across Saturn's poles. It sniffed the atmosphere for organic molecules, and it watched as sunlight played across the planet's massive storm systems, each one larger than Earth. In many ways, these last orbits became a tribute to the scientists and engineers who dreamed the mission into existence, to the thousands of minds who spent years planning every detail, and to the spirit of exploration that drives humanity ever outward. At Infinity Beyond, we believe stories like these remind us that exploration is not about the destination. It's about the journey and the legacy we leave behind in the stars.